You guys have designed this helmet, or the application for the helmet specifically. You've got trained installers, so you know you're going to get a good custom fit with your helmet. I really like it. It's super comfortable. I rely on these in a very, very hazardous environment. When I'm flying air show routines, I got to be able to hear clearly, right? And these got to protect my hearing for a long, long time. I intend to do this for a long time. So I am completely sold on this product, and I love it for all those reasons.
Hi, I'm Aaron Fitzgerald. I'm the Red Bull helicopter pilot here in North America. I'm the lucky guy that gets to fly that BO-105 that you see behind me. But today I wanted to tell you about my helmet. This is a very unique and striking paint job, obviously, but the important part of this helmet is what's inside. It's got the Lightspeed H-Mod, so I have ANR and Bluetooth inside my helmet. I can talk on the phone and get perfect clarity, and I also can listen to music while I practice, so that's important to me too. It's really comfortable, sounds great, great quality all around. I highly recommend Lightspeed for your helmet too.
One of the big surprises that you're going to have with the Lightspeed helmet modification is the quality of communication both ways. Everything goes quiet. The engine, the outside air, all of that is all kind of just muted down, like way down. The headset is such a high quality headset. And inside, they go around your ears so you get the full noise canceling, and then with the helmet outside of those ear cups, it even makes that better. So I think Lightspeed knocked it out of the park with this modification. Great job, Lightspeed.
Hi, it's Eric here, giving a shout out to my Lightspeed Zulu install in my helmet. Flighthelmets.com did the install for me 3 years ago, just before I went to Nepal for 2 years of flying at extreme altitudes up to 7,000 meters, extreme cold, extreme wet during monsoon, and it worked flawlessly. Here I am now in the Selkirk Mountains. I'm heli skiing today with my Lightspeed Zulu. In the summertime, I fly the Bell 212 on fires. It's a very noisy helicopter, and I have to monitor 4 radios. And the fire I was on this summer was a campaign fire. There were up to 70 aircraft flying on it. The radio comms were extremely difficult. And the Lightspeed Zulu install in my helmet makes it clear, easy to understand, and way less fatigue at the end of a long day of flying. Really beautiful thing about it is there's a full warranty on the Lightspeed install through Flight Helmets. I did have a problem after 2.5 years with one of my earpieces, and I sent it back. They fixed it and sent the helmet back to me, no charge.
The other thing that I really like about Lightspeed is they did an amazing job at installing this H-Mod into this HGU-55.
I've had other ANR types in helmets, and they frankly don't work nearly as well as the Zulu H-Mod works, because you guys designed this for the helmet and nobody else has.